Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh.
Hello everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Quickly before we get started, the 2 weekly shoutouts go to Barbie's Life and El Canal de Mimi LOP. I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but thank you so much for commenting. And remember, if you'd like a shoutout, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY miniature snow globe, which is the perfect size for your Barbie dolls. So to make these snow globes, I'm using like miniature toy capsules. You can find these in lots of places. You just put in like 25 cents or something. I can put some pictures on the screen so you guys can see the different types of capsules. All of these different capsules would work. And I just have this little one. It's clear and it's like a little circle. And mine already actually has little speckles of glitter or something on it, so it already looks like there's snow. But you could always like paint with nail polish or something to make it look like there's snow, or add your own glitter. So anyways, I started by taking some parchment paper and then took my little capsule, and I basically just started putting hot glue at the bottom of the capsule because mine is a circle and I don't want it rolling around everywhere. I wanted to make a little part so it could actually stand up. And then I just place that onto the parchment paper and let that dry. Then you can easily peel it off, and then you can kind of just go with your hot glue gun and keep on working at it and making it perfect until you're happy with it. So this is what mine was looking like, and then I actually took some blue nail polish and painted the bottom part so it had a little bit of color to it. Next, I also added some hot glue to the inside at the bottom part of the capsule, just so it can be kind of like the ground of my little snow globe scene. And then I took some white nail polish and colored that spot to kind of look like some snow at the bottom. Then I took some sparkly nail polish to make the snow look kind of glittery. Now we're going to work on making some ornaments to go inside of the snow globe. You can pretty much put and be very creative with this step, but I am turning a little pipe cleaner and kind of twisting it up until it kind of made a small little tree shape. And then I took some sparkling nail polish and kind of just dabbed it onto the tree to kind of look like it had some sparkles or ornaments of some sort. Next, I take some little beads and I glue them together. I have one big one and one little one, and then I just take a toothpick and some nail polish and start adding little features to it. If you didn't guess already, I'm making a little snowman. So I made some little eyes, some buttons, I made a little carrot nose, and I made a little scarf. I also wanted to make a little tiny present for in the snow globe, so I took some craft foam and kind of glued 2 teeny little squares together. So it looks something like this. Then I actually glued it to a piece of paper just so it would be easy to hold on to or take control of. And then I took some red nail polish and started painting the little cube. I took some goldish nail polish and then started to give it a little bit of a ribbon design. And this is how my present looked. Then you just cut off the excess paper so you have a tiny little present. Then I started to hot glue everything into my snow globe to create a little miniature scene. As you can see on the present, I used tweezers because it is so small. So this is how the snow globe snow globe looks. You can be very creative with making your snow globes, and hopefully you guys give this craft a try. And of course, all different capsules are really easy to make these little snow globes. I just happen to have kind of like the perfect one with some little glitter on it. But like I said, you could always take some sparkly nail polish or something like that and paint on your own little glitters. So anyways, this is how the craft turned out, and I hope you guys like this idea. As you can see, it goes perfect with Barbie dolls, perfect size. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!